whether the screen is visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, actually, okay, unary operation, binary operation, and the set operation. These are the three operations of a relational algebra. Now we see the unary operation in that select symbol is used for that one. Sigma is called as sigma. Okay. So for sigma, there is a two condition in the select operation, that is true or false. Okay. So it is a horizontal subset of a given relation. It is a horizontal subset of a given relation. Now the sigma stands for a specific predicate. R stands for relation and E stands for pre-proportional logical formula and or not. Okay. And some operations like minus, plus, and others. Okay. So in this one, whether it is true or false, that is called select operation. That is select operation, sigma is used. Okay. Next one, relational algebra. Here, relational algebra, we are going to see a sequence. So, based on a sequence, we have number of tuples. So, in the set of tuples, we are going to select a particular branch. In that branch, a particular state, and in that state, a branch and different nodes we are going to check using the select operation. So here for select operation, we are going to use the sigma symbol. Okay, so sigma branch name equal to GOVA. That is the what we are going to see from the different set of tuples. We are going to check the lone relation. Okay, so if this is the query, then the table shown is branch name, lone number, branch name, loan number, and the amount. Okay, so the predict is if it is an increase in the particular amount and greater than 1200, I want to check with the loan number. Okay, so sigma branch name equal to GOVA. Which state? I'm going from that branch, GOVA branch, I'm going to check if the amount is greater than this particular amount. Then I'm going to check with the greater than 1200. So this is the loan number of that particular branch name, which is more than or greater than 200. So using the select operation, I have implemented or shown this table. Okay, a query has been given and the table is shown. Okay, next one, project. So project, pi symbol is used. This is a Greek letter, actually pi is called. Okay, project. So it is a vertical subset, that is left to right. Okay, so pi symbol is a as in that I am going to check a loan number of a branch. Okay, and amount also. So for that one, I do not care about the branch name and all. I just want to see the loan number alone. Okay, so in this case, what I am going to do is I am going to check with all the relations based on this particular loan number. Okay, so pi symbol, loan number, comma, amount. From where I am going to check, for what reason? For a loan. Okay, so pi symbol, loan number, and the amount. So here the table comes loan number and the amount. Okay, so if it is a name, I want to check a customer name from a particular place, that is called Chandigarh. Okay, from Chandigarh city, I want to check one person name. So I'm going to check with that one using a query. Okay. So by symbol, customer name. For select symbol, I'm using the sigma, right? Selecting the customer city. So what is the city I have to see? Chandigarh city only, no? So equal to Chandigarh city and equal to customer. Okay. So here comes the project of that particular customer. Okay. Next, rename. So here for rename, I'm using the algebraic expression. So this unary operation is written as B A by B of R. Okay, A and B are the attribute names and R is the relation. Okay, so I want to rename. Example, this name I want to rename as employee name. Okay, so in table employee, I want to rename this name as employee name. Okay, so for that one, going to rename the name by employee name. So B and employee name slash name of employee. So this is the name of employee. So these two names are called as attribute names and relations. What is the relation? From where I am going to get this? From employee. So this particular name will be changed as employee name. So the result will be as like this. So it is explicitly named as algebraic expression, the name. So previously it was in a name, now it is employee name. So like this, the rename option is used. Okay, next joint. So joint, we are going to join two tables. So in these two tables, we have two or more relational tables. Okay, so two or more relational tables. Example, profession and salaries. So both the professional salaries I am going to join. So select star from professional and salaries. So both the professional salary will have job dot job. So in that job, the profession and the salary is taken. Okay. So I'm going to join using the join symbols. So here I use the R join theta S. So in join there is a theta and EQ join. Two joins are there, theta join and EQ join. This is the MCQ question. Okay, theta join and the MCQ join. So in theta condition, okay, in theta condition we have a symbol where R1 and join R2. Here two things are there. So two tables are there, D and E, where I am going to use the EQ join and natural join. Here, whichever the table join condition, only for equality condition. If it is equal or equality condition, here two K's are there, no X, Y and Z. Okay, so only K is there. So taking K, so this is the EQ join. Okay, so if natural join all the things K, X, Y and Z, so all the things will be there and that is called as natural joins. Okay. Okay, take that means now. Take that means after completing this relational algebra. Okay. Yes. So now same way for a natural and outer join. Example, I am having two relations. Example, book and publishers. Two relations are there. There, what is the natural IDs? They are having dot P underscore ID and P underscore ID. Both the publisher and the books are available. So I'm using the join symbol, book join the publisher. So what I'm going to join book dot P underscore ID equal to publisher dot P underscore ID. So example, actually a natural join is a condition which is having the join condition as two attributes. Okay, which is resulting exactly the same value. Exactly the same value. That is the natural joins. Okay, but in case of outer join, it selects all the tuples which satisfy the joint condition along with the tuples for which no tuples of the other relation satisfy the joint condition. Okay, we'll see the example now. So here left outer and right outer, two joints are there. So for left outer, if you are taking left outer, the right side will be considered, but the right outer, then its left side will be considered. Here R and S, two relations are there. In that one, I am going to use this R outer joint. Okay. So if it is a R outer joint, so I am going to check with the both. So right side. So right side, what is the things is there? For D, only two A, F is there. So apart from that, nothing is there. So I'm taking that as a null value. So right side. Okay. So first one left outer joint means right side I'm going to check. So for D, it is null. Okay. If it is a right outer means I'm going to check with the left side. So for a left side, if it is a C means there is no C here. Okay, so for C, I'm going to check with the only two options are there, D and T. So D is there, no B. So for the B is null. Okay, only D is here. Okay, so for D, the value is given. For D, till A, B, C, and D is there. For C, B option is null is there. Okay, no B is there for. That's why it's given as a null. So that is the two tables R and S and right outer joint for R and S. Okay. Then the full outer joint means both left and right. Here three nulls are there, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So all this one left outer and the right outer, both the things are called as full outer joint. So it combines the result of both the left and the right outer joint. It combines the result of both the left and the right outer joint. Okay. And next one, the division. Now I want to check two divisions. I am creating R1 and R2. So in that one, the pi symbol, the branch name, and selecting the city from Chandigarh, which branch. And the R2 has a pi symbol and a customer name, which branch, and whether he is a depositor or a joint account holder. Okay, so R1 and R2 condition I have taken, and I am going to divide this R1 divided by R2, which gives the required result of branch name, phone number, and the balance. Okay, so here union operation. So actually, A union B is 1, 2. For A, 1, 2, B, 3 and 4 means, what is A union B? 1, 2 and 3, 4. Same way here also, for A union B, joins all tuples, okay, of A or in B. Okay. So, if it is A minus B, so it's a B eliminating the duplicate tuples. Eliminating the duplicate tuples. Okay. So, here, I customer minus name of a particular browser. Okay, sorry, borrower. So whoever the borrower of a loan, it will display. Okay, and if I want to check with the name, okay. So first I am going to check with the customer who has been deposited and the customer who has been borrowed from the depositor. Okay, so both the condition 1 and 2 I am going to put as an union, A union B here. So the list of customer names will be displayed. That is the loan of a particular account. Okay, who is said to meet in. So list of customer name is displayed as well as A intersection B and A minus B. Only the borrower or depositor. So I am going to segregate or eliminate them, and based on that A intersection B or A minus B, I am going to take this one. Okay, the same way for set minus, I am going to check with the customer name, who is the depositor, minus the customer name and the borrower. That is A minus B. It is denoted by minus symbol. in a particular relation. So the tuples, those tuples in A but not in B. Those tuples in A but not in B. So this is the table which is the shown in the below. Okay. So one second. Hello. Hello. சொல்லுங்க. புதுசாக எடுக்கணும் அப்போ. எதனா கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து பேசுங்க. 28 நீங்கள் 48ன்றீங்க. கொஞ்சம் எதனா பார்த்து பேசுங்க, கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. ம் 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 சரி, கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து எதனா பண்ணுங்க ஜி. ம் ம் வேணாம். வேணானாக்கா புது மீட்டர் போட்டுருவாங்க. ம் சரி சரி, நான் ஒரு சரி திரும்ப ஒரு ½ hour கழிச்சு கால் பண்ணுறேன். சரி, கிளாஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு. Okay, then next one is Cartesian product operation. So that is R into S. So whatever the relation in R and S, both the things are being operation is similar to that for all the sets. So Cartesian operation is possible pairing of tuples as follows. Possible pairings of R and S. Okay. So if there are two additional relations are there, example the proportion and the salaries are there. So both the results of proportion and the salaries is depicted in the below table. Okay, so all the relation, all possible pairing of tuples are assumed in this relation R. Okay, so see, this is a summary we have seen. We will take that notes and we will continue. Okay. Okay. Abhinav, just help me out of the attendance, ma. Abhinav Gautam.
Present, sir.
Yeah, just help me the attendance, ma. Okay, just tell whether they are present or not. Adi Lakshmi.
Present, sir.
Okay. No, just Abhinav, just answer this one. Okay. Check and see.
Sir.
Yeah. Adi Lakshmi is present.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Abhinav Gautam is present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Abhisheka present.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Adikesh, just Abhinav, just check and tell me whether they are present or not.
Yes, sir. Adikesh present, sir.
Yeah. Akash, Akshaya.
Present, sir.
Then Ushashri.
Ushasi is not there, sir.
Whether she is hostel? Yeah, is there.
Sir, for hostelers and all put present, sir. They are not having network, sir.
Yeah. You just tell me, ma. I will put that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Okay. Yeah. Ushashri present, no?
Present, sir.
Okay. Anthony
present, sir.
Arvind.
Arvind is not there, sir.
Sure. Okay. Archana.
Present, sir.
C.
Not present, sir.
C not present.
Sir, see, he told that network issue is there, sir.
Okay, I will give that means. Okay. Arun Kumar
Arun Kumar is not there, sir.
Okay, just check again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, in B section, all present today. Just now completed one class, all present. Okay, Aravind?
Present, sir.
Yeah. Vamsi?
Present, sir.
Benifree?
Present, sir.
Pullugita?
Present, sir.
Sarmati?
Tarun is present, sir.
Sharmati?
Charmati is also present, sir.
Chandru? Chandru is present.
Chandru is present.
Okay, Danush?
Danush present, sir.
A and B?
Both the Danush are present.
Okay, Divya?
Present, sir.
Finish?
Present, sir.
Godson?
Present, sir.
Gopal Krishna?
Present, sir.
Gautam Raj?
Present, sir.
Gunasekar?
Present, sir.
Here?
Hariharan present, sir. Both the Hariharan are present.
Okay, Harsha?
Akshay is also present.
Indra?
Indra is not there, sir.
Okay, just check. Actually, Indra came, I think. Janvi? Indra is present. Just check whether Indra is present or not, or whether she has any network issue. Yes.
Not
Answer.
there, sir.
Any network issue is there for her? No.
Not mentioned, sir.
Okay. Girl student, do anyone know whether she is present or not? Okay, Janvi?
Jahnavi present, sir.
Jaysurya?
Present, sir.
Jeevan?
Jeevan present. Present, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah, Jeevika?
Present, sir.
Jitendra?
Present, sir.
Kamirati?
Present, sir.
Kanimali?
Present, sir.
Karan?
Present, sir.
Kavita?
Present, sir.
Kirtana?
Present, sir.
Prabhakaran?
Present, sir.
Lokavarshini?
Present, sir.
Logeshwara?
Present, sir.
Madan Raj?
Present, sir.
Madhumita?
Present, sir.
Otherwise present. And Madhumita present. Yes, Morris?
Present, sir.
And Monaganapati present. Indra is present.
Indra, and she came now only, sir.
Okay, Indra is present.
Yeah, where is she?
Monaganapati.
Mohana Ganapati is not there, sir.
Just check. Okay, I think he has came before. Okay, Monica.
Monica present, sir.
Present, sir.
Teja Babu.
Teja present, sir.
And then Nazmeen Banu.
Present, sir.
Nikesh.
Nikesh present, sir.
What of
Niveta present, sir.
Nitik Roshan.
Nitik Roshan, he is not there, sir.
Sure. Niveta present.
Niveta present.
Sai Teja present.
Sai Teja present.
Okay. Then Amudini came.
Amudini present.
Yeah, present. Annamalai.
Annamalai present.
Okay, Deeksha also came. Jairam.
Arish Jairam also present.
Okay. Just check with Nitik Roshan. I'll tell the absentees whether they are present or not. Just confirm. And Nitik Roshan, Mohan Ganapati, and Arun Kumar, Aravindan. So these are the four absentees. Just check whether they are present. If they want to come in, and just call them and just is present. Okay, make themselves present here. Okay, so we can give that much at least. Okay, so we'll continue the session now. Okay. Yes, Gautam, just check that fourth person. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll continue the session. Okay. So these are the summary we are seeing. So unary operation, binary operation, and the set operation. Right. So we'll see the fundamentals, SQL fundamental. What is SQL? Actually, it's accessing multiple databases. So using structured query language, ANSI standards, and inserting and deleting and updating the records. Okay. Now SQL fundamentals. So what is SQL fundamentals? So ANSI, American National Standard Institute, using database programs like Access DB2 and others. So here we are going to use the keywords select, update, delete, and insert, and others. Okay. So using characters and varying characters, varchar and bit char. Okay, bit, numeric, decimal, integers, small integer, float, and double digits. Okay, so these are the supporting scalar data types which we are using in the SQL fundamentals. So in this one we have DDL, DML, and the DQL. So DDL is the definition language manipulation of the query. First we will see the DDL. So for creating a database in a table, we are going to list or to destroy the table. So for create table, we are going to create table as create command. Okay, create table, table name of column name and the data types. Okay, so here create table employee. I'm going to create a table employee, column name as employee code, and the data type as integer. Okay, so like this I have created one employee table. Right. Next to alter table. So for alter table, table name of which particular column name I am going to alter, and the data type. Okay, you are going to see the column name and the data type and the size. Okay, so alter table employee. What I am going to alter? Which column as telephone number as integers. Okay, next in DDL I am going to use the drop table. So drop table means the entire table will be dropped. So drop table employee means the table will be dropped. Okay, next DML. So DML to retrieving data, inserting a new information, and deleting information as well as modification of information. Now insert into table name. What I am going to insert? Columns and values. Insert into table name values of. So I am going to insert into table name as stores, different two stores and dates. And what is the value? Los Angeles, these values and the date. Okay, so like this I can insert a table values, okay, into a table, right? Next DML. So DML is manipulation, where I am going to update the table. So using set operation and where condition. Okay, set column name equal to what value? Where column name equal to some value. Okay, so this is an example. So weather condition I am going to set using set keyword and update command. I am going to update this particular set of column with the new value. Set of column with the new values. So here using delete from table where column name equal to some value. Right. So what I am going to delete? So I am going to delete a example New York. I am going to delete this New York. What I will do? Delete from weather. Okay. What's the column name? New York equal to this particular value. That is average temperature. Okay. So that particular New York will be deleted from the table. Okay. That is a DML. Right. Next to DQL. So DQL we are going to sell using the select statement. DQL is otherwise called as result set. So this will come in a MCQ question. So the result set is select star from a particular person. So list of selecting a particular weather condition in a particular city, or city will be displayed. So if I want a distinct, then select distinct column names from table name. So distinct column name is city, where select distinct city from weather is found. Okay. Next, DQL. So some function is there. So it has a sales. So sales of a select some column name from table name. Okay. So only particular sales is there, means we are going to check with the some stored information, that is called as some sales. Okay. So list of sales is summed up and a result is select sum of sales from a particular store informations. Okay, like this count option is there. So select count of a particular column name. So it count entire sales and from a particular table name. Okay, so these are the options, as well as minimum of column names and maximum of column name from a particular table name you can take. Okay. So this is a DQL. So summary based on DDL, there are create table, alt, drop, index. Okay, so all these things are there. So all the things are given in PPT also. You can very well you can receive the PPT, and you can go and have a refresh, take the textbooks and refer the materials, as well as students try to pay your fees this week itself as an instruction given by our management team. Okay, so try to pay your fees by this week. Okay, make sure that you are paying the fees by this weekend itself. Okay, okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.